Welcome to my adventure unfolded. Be sure to like and subscribe for more meaningful journeys. Today's destination, Odaiba, Japan. More specifically, the statue of Unicorn Gundam. Japan did something that no other country dared to do. They built a real-life 20-meter tall Unicorn Gundam. That's right, a full-size transforming mobile suit, standing proudly in Tokyo's waterfront district of Odaiba. But why? Why build a giant robot from an atom? Today, we're diving deep into the history, the tech, and the cultural power behind the Unicorn Gundam and why this statue is so much more than just a tourist photo spot. Gundam is more than just an atom, it's a symbol of Japanese creativity, engineering, and imagination. First aired in 1979, Mobile Suit Gundam revolutionized the mecha genre. It wasn't about invincible heroes anymore, it was about war, politics, and the human condition, told through the eyes of pilots inside massive humanoid machines. And while the original RX-78 Gundam became a national icon, it was in 2017 that something next level was born, the Unicorn Gundam from Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn. Set in the Universal Century timeline, sleek, powerful, and most importantly, it transforms. Standing at 19.7 meters or about 64.6 feet tall, the Unicorn Gundam replaced the previous RX-78 statue in front of DiverCity Tokyo Plaza. But this wasn't just a visual upgrade. It was an engineering marvel. At scheduled times during the day, the statue shifts from unicorn mode to destroy mode, the iconic transformation that reveals the psycho frame, glowing in bright lead pink. The head splits. Panels move. Lights pulse. It's straight out of the atom, and it happens right before your eyes. Designed by architect and sculptor Eiji Kobayashi and his team, the statue uses advanced hydraulics, synchronized lighting, and pre-programmed motions to bring the unicorn to life, making it one of the most complex animatronics in public space. So, why build this at all? It's not just about fandom, it's about soft power. Gundam is a cornerstone of Japanese pop culture and a global export. By building a life-sized version, Japan is making a bold statement as celebrating its creative industry while also drawing fans, tourists, and media from around the world. The Unicorn Gundam isn't just for show, it's part of a larger cultural experience. Right behind the statue, inside DiverCity, is Gundam Base Tokyo, a paradise for Gunpla fans. Over 2,000 model kits, exclusive items, customization zones. If you're a fan, this place is your pilgrimage site. If you're planning a visit, here's what you need to know. Whether you're a die-hard Gundam fan, a casual anim lover, or just someone who wants to witness something uniquely Japanese, this statue is a must-see. In a country where anim isn't just entertainment, but part of its national identity, the Unicorn Gundam is a symbol of imagination made real. And it's not just for looking at, it's for feeling, for dreaming. Alright, so you're in Tokyo, and you're ready to meet the Unicorn Gundam in person. Great choice. There are 3 main ways to get to DiverCity Tokyo Plaza, where the statue is located. We will be showcasing the scenic Yurikamomi Line route. Start at Shimbashi Station and hop on the Yurikamomi Line, a fully automated train with wide windows and no driver. It's a ride that gives you beautiful views of the Rainbow Bridge and Tokyo Bay. Get off at Odaiba Station U07. From there, it's just a 6-minute walk, about 450 meters, straight to DiverCity Tokyo Plaza. This route is perfect if you want a scenic intro to Odaiba and maybe a few Instagram shots along the way. So the next time someone asks why Japan built a giant robot, tell them this: because they could. And because sometimes, we all need a bit of wonder in our lives. See you in Odaiba.